In times of great evil, we are often reminded of Epicurus, who famously questioned to an omnipotent God. He argued like this: if God is unable to prevent evil, then he is not all powerful. And if God is not willing to prevent evil, then he is not all good. And if God is both willing and able to prevent evil, then why does it exist? The answer is, if God designed a perfect world for us, there would be no value to human freedom. Precisely, we have to learn from our mistakes, suffer from consequences of failure decisions, and must not commit the same mistakes over and over again. Our political leaders are still in their intramural debates and political investigation. The formula we are using is like the filmmakers used in the movies, and that is, some superhero will save the day for all of us. And we think that there is some superhuman who will finally bridge the gap between the poor. A politics-based personalities are the root cause of all evil. But I suppose that this is not something that God willed for Filipino people. The face of the Philippine politics has not changed, not because we still have the same leaders in the office, but because many Filipinos have remained in the state of human poverty. That is why I, as a young citizen in this country, I will use my right, my power, my vote to choose a deserving leader who can help the Philippines from poverty, criminality, economy, and all. Don't trade your vote. Use it correctly and meaningfully.